Hi guys, so we can see the where tomorrow will the all index and stock will you can trade. You can see here guys, this will be the area where it can be turned around. Otherwise this will be the very strong buyer zone guys. So it may be turn around from here. So we can switch it on 5 minutes time frame and see the where you gonna trade for tomorrow. Okay guys. So you can see here guys, yesterday this will be the your as a supporting area. So right now it will act as a one of the major resistance area. Okay guys, so what we gonna do is that if it will take resistance somewhere here, our okay guys, just a second. Okay, somewhere here it will take resistance, then our first target, second target, this will be the third target guys. Okay guys, if it will broke and came upside, then your immediate first target will be somewhere here guys, second immediate target, third, and this will be the fourth immediate target. Okay guys, this is analysis of Dow Jones. Now we can see that NASDAQ, in NASDAQ also you can expect that this will be act as a one of the major resistance area guys. Okay guys, if it will crosses this, I will just make you this area, then you can go for your first area guys. If this will broke, take support, then you can go for your first target, second and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target for upside momentum. Okay guys, if it will breaks today's low or made a price action, then you can go for your first target, second and most probably third target guys. Okay guys, we can see for SPX guys, in SPX also exactly right now it's taken a resistance guys. So what we gonna do is that we just shift this. Okay, this will act as a resistance for us right now. If it will act as a resistance here, our first target will be here, second, this will be the third and fourth final target. Okay guys, in upside also we can see that if it will broke and came on make price action, our first target, second target, this will be the third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these all are the some of the index analysis. Now we can see the some stocks like Tesla. So you can see here guys, continuously coming downside. So this will be acting as our one of the major supporting areas right now. So if it will came somewhere here, reverse, our first target will be here guys, second target will be here and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target. If it will broke, then you can expect first, second and third target guys. Okay guys, these are the target in Tesla. We can see in Microsoft. In Microsoft, I have already tell you that this will act as a one of the major resistance area. You can check out videos also previous. Okay guys, if it will take a resistance, our first target, second and third target, these are the three targets. If it will broke and come upside momentum, then you can expect your first target, second target, this will be the final third target guys. Okay guys, we can see an Apple also, Apple stock, this is in a range, you can see that like this. So right now what we have to see is that if it will come and broke this line. Okay guys, I will just make this. Okay, broke this line, then you can go for your first target, second and this will be the final three target. Okay guys, if it came and take resistance somewhere here only, then you can expect your first target, second and third target guys. Okay guys, these are the some of the index and stock analysis guys. I will do the analysis in one daily time frame also. I will upload it soon guys. If you like this video guys, please like and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you guys.